Printify is a popular print-on-demand service that integrates seamlessly with Shopify, allowing you to sell custom apparel, mugs, posters, and more, while Printify handles printing and shipping. Here's how to set it up. Create accounts, sign up at printify.com free, and verify your email. Log in to your Shopify admin, or create a store if you don't have one. Install the Printify app in Shopify admin, apps, Shopify App Store. Search Printify. Find the official Printify print-on-demand app. Click Add App, install, authorize all permissions, connect Printify to Shopify. After installation, the app opens. Click Connect or Link Accounts. Log in with your Printify credentials. Grant access. Accounts are now linked. Add products. In Printify dashboard, catalog, browse products, t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, etc. Click a product, customize, upload design, choose colors and sizes, set pricing, cost, plus your profit margin. Click Publish, select Publish to Shopify, choose your store, push to Shopify. Products auto-create in Shopify with variants, descriptions, and images. Set up shipping. In Printify, stores, select your Shopify store, shipping. Choose Printify shipping, recommended, auto-calculated rates based on product weight, destination, and carrier. Enable free shipping thresholds or fixed rates if desired. Customize shipping profiles, for example, express options. Save. Rates sync to Shopify checkout automatically. Test and go live. Add a test product to cart. Checkout. Verify shipping rates appear correctly. Place a test order. Printify auto-creates production order. Ships directly to customer.